I'm Hayley. I'm here to drag myself out of my comfort zone and tell you a little bit about what I do. So I've been a hairdresser for over 17 years now, and I've also just recently qualified as a trichologist. Trichology is essentially a hair and scalp specialist. Now this involves helping you with hair thinning. It can help with the thinning just around these areas, sometimes through here. It can help men with their thinning through here as well. Sometimes if you're just shedding hair, so if you're running your hands through your hair and you're getting loads come out more than usual, you're noticing more in the brush, in the shower. It also includes alopecia areata and some scarring alopecias. When I mean scarring, I mean that it's not got the chance to come back. Even after 17 years of hairdressing, I absolutely love my job, but I was stunted a little bit where, as I'm growing older, my clients are growing older with me, and some are suffering from hair loss and hair thinning, and that was kind of where I couldn't be able to help them. So going into trichology just opens up the doors for me to be able to help my clients. I've had some fantastic patients already, and we're already seeing amazing results. I've been really focusing on which products actually work. So I will never recommend a trichology product that does not work. Equally, with the hair products that I offer products that I believe in, that I believe work, and will get you the best results possible. Anyway, that's enough video because I'm cringing at myself. But if you've got any messages, please don't hesitate to message me and I will get back to you.